So, as stated, no eyebrows here. I think I need to learn how to pencil in my eyebrows. Today we're doing a what I eat in a day, but look, I guess it's tweaked towards pregnancy. So I show you my first meal. It's not always the same. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Some days I have to eat at least something in the morning, but it's always something different. So we're just gonna go through our day and see what we eat today. Okay, just so you know, I'm running out of food, so these recipes are gonna get wild. So I start off my day today. I decided I wanted some what am I making? I attempted some shrimp and grits. This is grapefruit juice. This is Floridix, which is my iron, and of course you need grape juice, which is a source of vitamin C to help absorb the iron. So I take these. I have to take some type of vitamin C whenever I take Floridix. This is my current prenatal that I started taking at like trimester 3, and of course our hydro full of water. So this is our meal for today. Well, this is not our meal. This is where we're gonna eat breakfast. It is currently 9:29. This is as breakfasty as it gets, okay? I have to take 3 of these. Okay, eyebrows. I got them threaded yesterday. But anyways, it's, what time is it? It's like 12:30. I lied. It's like 1:14 and I'm getting hungry again. So I told myself I need to at least have one smoothie every week to get us going. So for lunch, I can't do smoothies for breakfast. It's too sweet and I might freaking pass out because of sugar overload. So yeah, we're gonna go make a smoothie. And you take one of our straws and we just like throw it in there, and we go and drink it, because that's what people do with the smoothies after they make it. Yo, I'm really doing it for you because I really don't like. I like fruits and my just straight fruit, and I don't like protein. Wasn't it just raining? Anyways, I don't like protein. I don't like all this extra. I don't like sea critters. And my... Oh, thought it started... I thought it started thunderstorming again. I'm so sorry, guys. This is just is not it for me. But I'm gonna suck it up real quick. See if I can drink this real quick. You can do it. I'm already making sacrifices for you. Don't ever say I never did nothing for you. This is not me. I do smoothies completely different. I'm almost there. Almost there. I did it. I did it. I'm not doing it again though. This is exactly why I said I only want one smoothie a week. So I'm back and hungry again. It is currently 3:55 and I need some more food. So we're gonna fry up some egg rolls that I made the other day. So these are egg rolls. I want to still believe these two right here are chicken and these right here are, no, these two are shrimp. These two are shrimp and this right here is a chicken. And then I have this, it's just ranch and hot sauce because why not? So, let's see if they're cooked. Please be good, God, please, 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 please be good because, well, I think you should have, yeah. It's a little hot. And of course we got a side of water. You always gotta have a side of water because without water a lot would happen. A lot wouldn't happen. Yeah. I did have a 1 ounce bag of pistachio that didn't make it into this film, okay? So I did have that as a snack before I ate again. So there's that. All right, I'll see y'all later. So guys, this may not look very appealing and appetizing, but it is. So this is a avocado chicken salad and I added corn and cucumbers. And so this is gonna be, it's 11:20 and I'm trying to make this my last meal of the night. Prior to this I had like 5 oranges, so this is our last meal. It tastes really good. I added a little bit of salt and olive oil on it, and that's it. Is currently past my bedtime. I'm super oily. What's happening? It's it is about that time I go to bed. So this was my day today. I look so shiny right now, but this was my day where I showed you guys what I eat. Obviously this varies. I don't always eat this way. I don't always eat the same foods, but this was just what I ate that day. But considering I am in the 3rd trimester, I have been eating a whole lot more, so there's that. But we'll work on it. So tomorrow's a new day, but I appreciate you guys so much for staying and watching this video. If you have any questions, any concerns, let me know. So yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and I will see you next time. Bye, gems.